Happens when you have a new employee and they need to be set up. Do you have to go order everything? Do you have to go configure everything on your server? No, we actually, when we come in, we onboard with you, figure out, what department needs access to which drives, which, what kind of computer is the standard for you? Do we just transfer everything over from one person to the next? So when you have a new user coming in, if they're replacing someone, you let us know who's being released or terminated. We will, at the time of termination, or usually a few minutes before termination, actually completely suspend their account so they are unable to do anything after they know that they've been terminated. And then we set up the new user. Usually we ask for 3 to 5 days of time. That way we can make sure everything's prepped and perfect and it's not an emergency. But usually we can turn it around in half a day or less even. But if you have a brand new person coming on and they're not replacing anyone, you would just fill out this paper, fill out a form, tell us exactly what this person, what department they're in, they're, a VIP or an executive, or they're part of the admin staff, and we already have a pre-agreed, setup for them. We're able to roll in, set it up. You give us, basically all you have to do is give us a desk and their name. And as a result of that, it really cuts down on the amount of time and administrative work that you have to do. That all falls onto us.